Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are on Windows 11. So basically in today's video, I'll tell you that how you can use your GPU for any app on your laptop or computer. So let's start. So first let's talk about that what is a GPU. So basically GPU is your graphic card which helps in processing your computer graphics with a very high speed. It depends upon the GPU, and the full form of GPU is graphics processing unit. So now let's go to our video and I will tell you that how you can use your GPU for any app. So first of all, you have to go in the search button and type here GPU, and then you have to go to your system graphics settings, and here you get many apps and you can use your GPU for any app here. So for example, I click this app which is Windows inbuilt video editor and go to options, and here you get three options which is let Windows decide power saving and high performance. So you have to click this high performance, and no problem, just ignore this line and click the save button. And actually for this app the GPU is not recommended, so let's try with any other app. So let's try for OBS Studios, and go options, high performance, and click the save button. So here you can see that high performance is set, and once you restart OBS, I'm already running it will use your GPU and speed up. So guys, I hope that the video was helpful. If yes, click the like button and subscribe my channel for more tech related videos. Thank you and bye bye.